Summit's Advanced Safety Electronics Crane Operating System's auto-stow feature is standard on all Summit trucks with hydraulic cranes. It makes stowing the crane easy. After hooking the traveling block, go to the main control panel and navigate to the auto-stow screen by pushing the auto-stow button on the crane screen. Push and hold the button until the crane auto-stow is complete. The crane's angular position will move to the auto-stow angle and then rotate to line up with the boom rest. The crane speed is 50% during auto-stow and reduces to 10% max speed while gently lowering to sit on the boom rest cradle. Summit's ASE makes stowing the crane effortless with a simple push of a button, resulting in improved crane operator efficiency and overall productivity. The controlled movement of the crane to the stow position will prevent damage to the crane, boom rest, and body. Once safely stowed, you'll see the banner notification, Auto Stow Successful. When operating your crane, you must know the load limits to get the job done safely. You need to understand your crane capacity, stability charts, crane rotation, and load weight, and manually calculate the maximum lift for a specific zone, which is complex and time-consuming. Summit's Advanced Safety Electronics Control System has made the calculation easier by having crane capacity and stability charts programmed into the system and automatically computing the crane limits. Based on that data and crane position, your crane will derate to maintain a safe lift situation. As ASE senses crane movement, the LMI data displayed on the main control panel and the crane remote control updates in real time. The main control panel graphically displays the current rated capacity, the weight of your load, max load, zone, derated percentage, and more. Take a glance at the crane remote and you see all the data needed to make your next move. No more guesswork on safe load handling. It prevents overload conditions to make your job safer and finish it without harm. When your crane load approaches max capacity, ASE will slow the crane. Your remote will rumble and you'll see a notification banner. If you reach the crane limit, the crane stops moving and only safe maneuvering is allowed. Our ASE control system is a proactive approach to safe and efficient crane operation. It automatically gives you vital information to make load handling decisions and takes preventative measures to avoid dangers. Summit's Advanced Safety Electronics Crane Operating System's remote outrigger control feature is standard on all hydraulic crane trucks. It improves safety and performance when positioning and setting up for crane use. When you're ready to use your crane, you'll first need to deploy the outriggers and stabilizers. Using the outriggers and ensuring the truck is stable is required for safe crane operation. With the truck in position and the outrigger pin unlocked, you can toggle to the outrigger control screen on your remote and use the joysticks to deploy outriggers. You can stand back to watch the outriggers deploy and monitor truck stability. Once the outriggers are fully deployed and the truck is level, you can safely operate your crane and lift the available max capacity. After you've completed your task and parked the crane, you can retract your outriggers using your crane remote control. Summit's ASE increases productivity by giving you more functionality from the crane remote and allowing you to conveniently deploy and stow the outriggers from a safe distance.